All right, I was able to get a lot done on these days off. I got the front end stuff on. Got the intercooler, the AC condenser, radiator, fan, the shroud. I did have to rerun these power steering lines to come down to this cooler because they were coming up on this side and they were going to hit the grill. The grill goes across this real tight. So what I did was I took them, bent them back down, and then they come on this side of the frame and come down. And I'll look at it more once I get everything else situated, but I think it'll be fine. But I got a new lower radiator hose, got a new degas hose, I guess you could call it. Already had new upper radiator hose, new belt. Got the Fickum, everything, and turbos in. Got the new Y pipes. Exhaust is hanging for right now. I don't know. I think I'm just going to stick with this 3-inch or 3.5 inch downpipe to whatever. I'll figure something out. I think that's about it. I mean, alternator, old filter housing was already on, intake was already on, so yeah, alternator, glow plug controller, dipsticks are in. Yeah, so right now all that's left is pipes and the air filter, battery trays, but I need to get the cab mounted so that I can move the AC stuff and bolt it up to there, and the brake stuff and bolt it up to there, get that out of the way. And I can flip this harness. It's supposed to go on the cow. I can flip that over and get that bolted up, and then I can get batteries and fenders and all that stuff hooked up. So hopefully I can do that in the next week or two, get that taken care of. But it's coming along. I'm hoping I can put fluids in it. Maybe Thanksgiving, I got 7 days off around Thanksgiving. So hopefully that weekend I'd rather do that than go to Black Friday. So that's what I'll probably be doing that weekend, is setting the cab, getting all this other stuff situated, and hopefully by then I can start it up and run it. But yeah, stay tuned for that. Hopefully, yeah, like I said, hopefully be next month or here pretty quick. Thanks.